Everyone, myself Abhijit Dev. We already discussed about the theory part of basic gates using universal gates, that is NOR. Now we do the practical part. I have already told about the kit previous day, previous video. We already use only ground, that is here, and plus 5 volt for IC, and this is input pin and this is output portal. Initially we take the inputs in 0 mode. So it is breadboard. You already know the connection of breadboard, and this is 7402 IC. This is called notch. It will be connected to the breadboard, as the notch will be your left side, and 1 to 7, 8 to 40. Now first of all, we design the NOT gate using NOR gate. You can see the circuit. 2 and 3 is shorted, X is the input. So we give the input to pin number 2 or 3. Then it will be shorted. As per circuit, you can see here, this is the input, pin number 1, 2 and 3 is shorted, you can see it, and output from pin number 1. Then we have to connect the plus VCC, that is plus 5 volt, to the pin number 14 and ground to pin number 7. Now you check the truth table. As you know, the truth table is said that if we give 0 input, then output will be 1, and for input 1, output will be 0. So this is 0 mode, you can see it. You switch on the kit first. As this is 0, then output is 1. And if we give the input 1, output is 0. So we satisfied the truth table of NOT. The next circuit is implementation of AND gate using NOR. First of all, we switch off the kit, then do the circuit. So as per circuit, we can see 2 and 3 is shorted, and A input is connected to 2 or 3. So it is input A, it is connected to pin number 3, then pin number 3 and 2 is shorted. Change the root. You can see it. Pin number 2 and 3 is shorted, and 1 and 8 is shorted also. So we have to connect 1 and 8. Then as per circuit, second input, that is connected to pin number 5 or 6, and 5 and 6 are shorted. Pin number 6 for input, then 5 and 6 are shorted, and next connection from pin number 4 to 9, and finally we get the output from pin number 10. So we have to short pin number 4 and 9. Finally we get the output from pin number 10. So this is the complete circuit of AND gate using NOR. You can see the input. These twos are input which is going to pin number 2 and pin number 5. 2 and 3 shorted, 5 and 6 also shorted. You can see it. Pin number 4 and 9 shorted, pin number 8 and 1 shorted. Finally we get the output from pin number 10. So let's see the truth table. So we know as AND IC, if we get 0 0, then output is 0. As the LED is off, then it shows the 0. Then 0 1, also output is 0. You can see it, LED is not glowing. Then 1 0, output also 0, and for 1 1, output is 1. So it satisfied the truth table of AND. Next circuit, implementation of OR gate using NOR. So we have to switch off the kit and remove all the wires. Only plus VCC and ground is connected. So the circuit is 2 and 3 are the inputs. So this is first input going to pin number 2. This second input going to pin number 3. You can see it, pin number 2, pin number 3. Then as per circuit, pin number 1 and 5 shorted, and pin number 1 and 6 also shorted. So you have to short pin number 1 and 6. Then pin number 1 and 5. You can short pin number 5 and 6. And finally we get the output from pin number 4. Pin number 4. So the truth table of OR 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 also 1. So if any input is high, then output will be high. So let's check. As this is 0 0, output is 0, and for 0 1, output is 1. You can see the LED is glowing, and for 1 0, output also 1, and for 1 1, output is also 1. So it satisfied the truth table of OR gate. So thanks for seeing the video. Next day we have discussed another circuit